Hey, what's up? My name's Kamal Akeel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your side mirror bulbs with upgraded LED bulbs. I'll have the link in the description where I got these, and if you go to that link when you're actually getting the bulb before you add it to your cart or whatever, you actually have to choose between a few different types. So this is the cool white option, and I think it has like 6,000 K or something next to it, which stands for how bright it is. Above it there was a blue option, which I would stay away from that, because if it is actually really blue, you could even get pulled over and given a ticket for having something that resembles a police car. So I would stay away from that. And then they also have an amber option, which would probably resemble the stock ones, the kind of yellowish look, except it'll project a lot better. So we're gonna install these, the cool white ones, which is just the pure white LED look, which will be awesome. And I'll show you guys how to get that done. So the first thing you can do, this makes it easier. You can actually just fold the mirror out like this, and you're basically just gonna have to pop this mirror cover off. So the only thing about this though is most cars, you're just able to pop it off. It just has pins that kind of hold it in all the way around. But this one's a little bit different. There's those clips on the sides and the bottom, but at the top there's these weird tabs that you actually have to hook under this piece. So to do this, you want to start by pulling at the bottom. So you can push the top forward, so you can get your fingers under here and then just pop it out. And then as you'll see here on ours, the clips that I was talking about are actually broke off. So at the sides and the bottom, you just have these clips that clip onto these pieces here. But the top actually had these pieces that slide under. So it's kind of a poor design, because anybody, without looking up, if you want to take the mirror off, you're going to break those tabs off. So I'm letting you guys know now so you can prevent yours from being broken. So once you get that off, you see the housing for the bulb. So it's you're going to screw it left to undo it. See, it just popped out easily. Take it out, and there's your factory bulb. So just pull that straight out, and then the new ones are still in the packaging, so you just do a little magic and boom, you got your new one in there. So just push it in there. It should feel snug. So then when you're going back in, you're going to want this connector kind of angled down. So on the housing here, you can see there's 3 small tabs and 1 larger one. The 1 larger one is to the right side, so you just want to line that up. And once you get in there properly, you see how it pushes in. Then you just want to twist this to the right until it's snug, and that's it. So now when you're putting your mirror back on, if you didn't break these tabs off, good job, that's awesome. But it's going to be a little bit more difficult putting it back on, because you just got to make sure that you get those tabs underneath the 2 top pieces here and then snap in the rest. So since my tabs are broken off, it's actually kind of easier to put this on. So this actually kind of helps as a guide, because you can see it goes in this slotted area here. So you just put it in the right spot, you'll hear it click in, and there you go. You can fold the mirror back into place. The only thing is, after you do both sides, it'd be a good idea to just sit in the driver's seat and adjust your mirrors to the right spot, because since you're moving the motor around, it's not going to be in the same place it was before we did this install. So now let's check out the difference between left and right, because we haven't done the other side yet.
Wow, okay.
So it's kind of hard to tell in the dark, but you can see the light through there, and compared to the factory bulb, that's the factory bulbs on this side. Now you can tell it looks a little different. So this is the other side, so you just do the same thing where you're going to pop it loose at the bottom and let it drop down. And this side, you can see the tabs are still on here. Well, actually, if you look closely, barely hanging on, but that's the idea of what it should look like. And I almost think that this is a 2007 FJ, so it's the first year they made it. I'm pretty sure they probably updated this so it's just clips all the way around, because that's how it should have been in the first place. So that's what it does look like if you want to try to, you know, prevent yourself from breaking those tabs. So thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. We have a lot more planned for this car. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.